Welcome. Today we are diving into federated learning. This is a revolutionary technique that changes how artificial intelligence models are trained, allowing them to learn from multiple devices without ever needing to see your personal data. To understand why this matters, let's look at the traditional method. Usually, to train an AI, all user data from phones and laptops must be uploaded to a single central server. This creates massive privacy risks, security vulnerabilities, and uses up a huge amount of internet bandwidth, moving all that raw data around. Federated learning flips this script. The core concept is simple but powerful. Instead of sending your private data up to the model in the cloud, we send the model down to your data. Your photos, messages, and information stay exactly where they are, on your device. Here is how it works step by step. First, a central server distributes a generic, global model to thousands or even millions of user devices. Think of this as sending a student AI to study at millions of different schools simultaneously. Next, each device trains that model locally. Using the processor on your phone or computer, the model learns from your specific usage patterns. It gets smarter based on your data, but this learning process happens entirely in isolation on your own hardware. Once the model has learned something new, the device prepares an update. Crucially, it does not send the data itself. It only sends the mathematical weights, which are basically a summary of what it learned. This encrypted package contains no personal information, just the lesson. Finally, the server collects these thousands of small updates. It averages them all together to create a new, smarter global model. This upgraded model now knows what everyone knows without having seen anyone's private secrets. The cycle then repeats. The benefits are significant. First and foremost is privacy. Your raw data never leaves your hands. Second is efficiency. We are not clogging networks with gigabytes of raw files, just tiny update packets. And third is speed. The model can react to you instantly without waiting for a server. You probably use this every day without knowing it. Google's Gboard uses federated learning to predict your next word based on what you type, without reading your texts. Hospitals use it to train cancer detection AI across institutions without violating patient confidentiality laws. Federated learning represents the future of AI. It proves that we do not have to sacrifice privacy for progress. We can have smarter technology that respects our boundaries, learning from everyone to benefit everyone.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.